Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day weekly contest 325. Wow, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. 50 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, whatever. This contest, yeah. Weekly contest 325. And of course, if you have if you have any questions about the problems, they will have its own videos, so go check those out. Yeah, I don't know. I think one thing I need to be a little bit better at, that's what I'm working on for this contest, is just to slow down a little bit. I made two really silly mistakes in the morning contest, morning for me on the bi-weekly. Like a 5-second debug on both, on just reading the problem slightly better. So I definitely need to be better about that. But let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Give me problems, please. Okay, so basically, you have a circular array. Okay, and the previous is what? Okay, sure. Shortest distance to reach the string target. Target start index from 1. Okay. Are there multiple targets, or like are the words unique? So the words are not unique. I think that may be the tricky part. But okay, so if I know that you could set it, but we can just do it this way. It'll be linear anyway. Oh, there's 2 hellos here, so they don't try to trick us. But words if target is equal to words of I, then best is equal to min of best of start index minus I, and just return best. We already did the negative 1k, so this should be okay. Oh wait, almost submitted it. 0, 1, 2. Oh, it's circular. That's right. I forgot about the circular part actually. Is that right? Is that enough? Man, I'm trying to slow down a little bit. That's why. That's enough. Just now, in both directions, I think. Yeah, YOLO. Oh no! I knew that wasn't enough. Ah, man, sloppy. Let's see. So we start at 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I see. I have to do the other one. I knew that I forgot about this. Minus I plus n. Okay, I think that's the one that I knew I forgot. But really silly mistake trying to be a little bit faster. I just need to kind of reset myself. Okay. ABC, non-negative k, each minute leftmost or rightmost. Okay. Minimum at least k of each character. Okay. 10 to the 5th, so is it DP? I don't know. No, it's just I mean it's prefix sum, but I'm trying to figure out what's the cleanest way to do it. 8 is the minimum, okay. Because we can take. How do I do it? Okay. I still can't believe I got Q1 right. Well, I knew what I was doing, but I've confused myself. 2 of each one? Okay, fine. I'm a little bit tilted, but So okay, fine. So basically, we're taking everything to the right. So yeah, okay. So we have everything to the right. Maybe I just do this. I don't know if this is better, to be honest. Maybe not. What am I doing? Okay. So then now we process this one. Basically, the right contains everything. Okay. So while counters up, let's see. So A is greater than equal to K, and C. So while this is happening, press is equal to min of right minus left, and then n minus that thing. And then we move left over. And we move left over by doing C of left subtract by 1. And if left is equal to right, or my bounds, what am I doing about my bounds? Okay. Oh, I'm not doing the thing, so see that right? Because now we're taking it out. C of S sub right. Here we actually, when we move left, we okay, then we subtract this, and then while this is happening, we're moving right, and we do it by subtracting this thing from it, and then not this. Wait, what? Oh, still judging. Oh, I have an infinite loop somewhere, probably. I think I need to do this first. I am really bad tonight. Okay. Oh yeah, we should make that an infinity thing, but 11 and 1, okay, that's not great, but I need this first. then I remove it, and then man, I'm just really not thinking right. This is a probably do binary search as well, but what's a 10? So, oh, maybe my left and right is confused. I put everything in it now. So right means that you remove it, so then you have everything, right? So that looks good. And then while this is not true, we don't remove left. Oh man, I corrected this in the other place, but I forgot it here. That's why. Don't even know how I get an answer for this one. Okay, there we go. Is this right though? Okay, I mean it looks right for this input, so let's give it submit. Oh, I didn't check for 0. Are you serious? This is silly. I'm just missing a lot of silliness in general. I didn't think about that one. I didn't look at the inputs. Usually they don't put like these weird inputs on it, but I guess these days they do. Okay, I mean that's a real one. Wow, I am just getting destroyed today. 3, that went off by 1. So to get rid of the A. I am sloppy. Okay, so this is 0, 0. Right? So by default, it has 5, which is true. It has 1, 2. So that's 4, that's also true. Because left is inclusive. Wait, no. Wait, what? Did I mess up? It's still wrong. Oh no, this is the first one, but it's still wrong though, so. No, I thought this was right. Oh, righter. This is just one of those days, but why is this? So basically, this puts it back in, okay. This, I needed this. Okay. It's still wrong though. It's 1, 1, okay, fine. Because it represents no bounds, okay, that's fair. 2, 1 is good. And then the 3. So 1, 2. Am I doing it the wrong way? Maybe I'm doing it the wrong way. 1, 2. No, you need this one. So 3. You need 1 left and then but then right, and then 4. Right? 4 we're good. But we need a 5. Is that right? Right? Man, there's a weird off by 1 somewhere. I am just struggling today. It's gonna be a disaster. Because this is never just doing ACB. I mean, this is just really weird. 3, 3, 4, 3. Or 3, 3 means having nothing. So 2. So 1, 2 means this number. Go on, this one means that. Okay, but 3, 4, okay. What you need to be. I need like one more thing, but then like this is gonna be just wrong. Maybe I just needed this. Yeah, this is this plus 1 because you have an extra one. Maybe I just did the math wrong on that one. I think this is more right, but it's still. I think I just needed this to go, kick off to be the first one, and then I just kind of messed it up here. Wow, man, I'm getting destroyed, ain't I? People are already finished, and I am in 1,000. Wow, this is just a. Okay, focus, Larry, and see where you can go. Okay, only 47 people solved this, and only 4 subs. Okay, come on, you could catch up, Larry. Choose the candies with the prices. What are we doing? Okay. Price of the I have candy and K distinct candies. The tastiness is the smallest after the prices of any 2 candy in the maximum. We smallest absolute maximum tastiness. So we choose it's the min of these 3. Okay. K is 2. It doesn't really matter which one. Oh wait, no, it does matter. So first we want to sort. I think that makes sense. And then now the min is it the max of the min? How does this even work? 8 is the, wait, what am I doing? This one is so many confusion. So maximum, so we want the maximum min. So the min is the closest. So basically, do you want the one that are farther away? Why wouldn't you want like 1, 13, 21? I mean, I guess that min is still 8. But is this binary searchable? I guess that's why I'm trying to think. Or 1, 8? No, I think they give you the weird candy, but I think 1, 13, 21 is probably actually better. And K could be anything. So then you almost want them to be as evenly spaced as possible because the minimum delta is the one, right? So then that's what you binary search on, I suppose. Yeah, okay. I don't know if I could need to do the price, but okay. So yeah, for 0, 0, right is equal to let's try 15 this time. I think 12. I don't. Yeah, I think that should be good enough for the minute, right? Because but then why did I write it like this? So the mid. So if mid is good, then we want to try something bigger. And then if we have a target and it's sorted, then we just go, how many candy can we have? Then it's just greedy, right? For x in price, if x minus last is greater than target, 1 x last is equal to x, return candy is greater than or equal to k. Should be right. I don't know why it's so slow. Did I miss a loop somewhere? Oh, whoops. It's a good thing that discarded though. 820, okay, let's give it a minute. So many wrong answers today, so I'm glad that that one kind of got me through a little bit. Q3 is the easiest farm for me today so far. Number of great partitions, okay. 8 people solved this, I have to think about this, and I'm catching up. So we have positive integers and integer k partitioned in a 2-order group such that each element, okay. So basically, we want to partition mod song, mod, do the mod. Okay. Partition is greater. The sum of elements of each group is greater than or equal to k. And there's 1,000. Oh, k is 1,000 as well. So we could do like a. Is it not naive? It's just left away, right? This is kind of tricky for me to understand. Oh no, numbers of length is that, but k is sum of elements of each group. Yeah, k is only I don't get this part, but okay. I think this is pretty straightforward, but I'm just worried. I think like I want to do it top down, but Leetcode is being silly, so I'm just trying to think how to do it. Because top down I could finish in 2 minutes. So we have. No, can I? No, because that'll be index kk. Except for not actually, because yeah, I think index and k is fine. Okay, let's just do it top down, and then if we have to, if we have to, right? And then we have a prefix sum. The sorting doesn't even matter. Did I saw it? I don't think I saw it, but it doesn't matter because it doesn't matter. What am I doing? Remember cache Larry. This one's a little tricky actually. Because I want to say that right is equal to prefix of index minus left, but then if we want to bound left by 1,000, then that is actually tricky to get precisely, because you may misattribute the other numbers. Maybe this is harder than I expected then, but yeah, okay. Is it dark? I mean, it's 1,000. No, it's a. Well, it won't be. Is there that many possibilities? It's just prefix sum, right? Let's just try it. We don't need this. Then 1, and then this is just whatever. We'll figure it out later. Then I think this is n+1. Okay. And then basically this right? So this is the number of count. We have to do the math on the final number, I guess, on the sum, on the k. This is good enough. I don't know. People are getting it though. If j num sub I -1. This would be equal to dpi -1. But this is like, I don't know if this. Right. But so that's the number of ways to have it one partition, right? So that's the like very naive thing. How do we do it for the other side? Because you could have like, I don't know, like 101. Just because you reach k on one side doesn't mean anything. Greater than or equal to, okay. So then how do we check that? The check is delta. Now you can't do the delta that much though, because it's 10 to the 9. I think we can cap each number by, okay, maybe we can do something like this, where, yeah, okay. And then, and now maybe we do this times 2. Because then now then now it is assumed, so okay. Because then because you have like how do I mean this is definitely an optimization, but I don't know what to do with it enough, because now just because you have a sum on one side, does that mean you have a sum on the other? We have 2000, but then for example you have 1000 and then you have to do a lot of counts. But then on the other hand, Is it divide in the middle or something? If only I didn't spend so much time on the first two. A lot of people got that one too though, so Can I prove one thing with the other? It's just a number of ways that one side can. You want to say that it has enough. And the other side. And it's like k squared and then k cubed. That's not good. 1,000 cubed is not good. How do I fix this? How do I get rid of a dimension? I mean, just like that left-right thing. Then this becomes 1,000,000, and then it becomes the same thing anyway, if we just let it sum. What am I missing? We want the difference, but you can't DP on the difference, can you? Now the range is too big. You just choose all the powers of 2's and then you would add and subtract, and that would be 2 to 9. I think you could do it that way, unless I'm really wrong. Can I sort it and then it doesn't matter? No, then you just have like 1,001 numbers or ones. And you still have to balance it anyway. If only I didn't have 3 wrong answers already. Yikes. Pretty quick on Q3 though. Can I infer the other thing from this? I thought there was an easier way to do this, but a lot of people are getting it, but also not that many, to be honest, since everyone else got the other 3 much faster. This is just standard dynamic programming, but it's not quite right, is it? So you have to do I. There's either plus or minus. That could get like pretty big pretty quickly, even if they're all distinct, or even if they're all not distinct, because then yeah, because every number doesn't doubling, and that gets big pretty quickly. Right? Yeah, guess so. Like you have ones, and then you and that's the same complexity of the top down anyway, just done a little bit differently. No, because you have just k 1,000, and then just 1,000 ones, and that would just be really slow. Trying to think whether there's like a way to go about it. Just wait, let me see. And there's 1,000, so there's no like divide the middle kind of thing. Is there? Well, you have to do the count anyway, so it's not even just like looking for one solution. Yeah, I'm stumped. Is there anything non-DP that I know of? What if I sort the list? Does that do anything? I really do the max. I think this thing is fine, but I don't think sorting it matters. Maybe we could use the prefix sum in a good way. I'm gonna try. I don't know. I'm gonna try to do it. I don't have the visualization for that for now, but I don't know, that makes sense. And we just return, whatever, return. I think this one doesn't actually matter. It's just 2 to the whatever, to the, otherwise. Otherwise, left is by definition not k. Then right, if right is then k, then we can go index left plus go index plus 1, and then left. Well, left, but then it's also left plus num sub index, and we want to max this by k, or min this by k actually. But we want it, okay. And then else, they're both not it. Then we want to do okay. If okay, then we want to swap it so that the math is easier. Because, okay, and then else we just do. Okay, and then now we add it to k, which is just to the other side, which is just this. This index are bound. Of course, I should do something like that index 0. Oh. Well, worth a try. I don't know where I got 6 from, but yeah, got this one right. We're making progress. Because we have to be really careful about the left. The left should never be greater than k unless this thing is. It is fast enough though, right? I think that's what I care about first. 500, right? Length of nums. No, that's actually pretty fast, if this is right. So we just have to get it right. I think the idea is right, but maybe not. So I have 4 for the first one. Oh no, 14 for the first one. Why do I have 14? Okay, let's take away this case. Let me put it somewhere. Okay, and then, okay. And we could put it out. Everything is modded, okay. Okay. Oh, because I guess we early terminate on the other ones. I don't know what this would do. Okay, so next we have 4. That's pretty good. If we okay, but what if we had the other ones? Actually, this is really weird. Should have at least 1 and then 1, right? What is K for this one? 4. I did not sort, but actually let me double check. 0 0. Okay, 1 4. Why? Oh man, that's why. Okay, that is a silly mistake. 602. Okay, I don't know that this is right, but well, let me get rid of some prints, and then I'm just going to YOLO. I mean, it's right for this, but is it right? I don't know. Probably not, to be honest. But well, you wouldn't see if it's fast enough. Okay, I actually thought about this idea for a long time. I didn't think that was going to be good, but I have a lot of silly misses. How many people did get it in the end? Well, a lot of people end up getting it. I think I just didn't believe in myself on that one, to be honest. I probably should have gotten it, but because I was thinking about those lines, but like very early, but yeah, I just didn't believe in myself, which is kind of maybe it's just one of those days. Need time, because I had that idea, but I didn't really draw it out. And I guess I didn't really need this the way that I wrote it, but I mean, I don't know. Probably could have done faster, but just a lot of silly mistakes on the first 2 even. Maybe I'll be top 200. I don't think I'm top 200 because I still have 15 minutes of waiting, but maybe a temporary top 200. Yeah, I'm really sad that I got silly mistakes on this one. What did I get on this one again? Oh yeah, so what I needed to do was move this one up, and then this would have been right, but I was confused about what I was printing. That's why, and that's why I had to do it twice. And then I also forgot the 0 case, which is a little bit sad. That's actually why. It's one of those things where it's a symptom, not a thing. Because if I had just gotten rid of this, I would have gotten it. But then because I did it in a really funky way, I missed the edge cases, and then I tried to cover it up, but that wasn't the real issue. The real issue was just that I didn't do it here. I thought about that a little bit as well, to be honest, but I just kind of was dumb about it, and I got lucky with the test cases. So sometimes the luck is in the sadness, you get lucky and then you make mistakes. But yeah, though Q3 was the easiest one for me. I don't know if that's too much tips. Okay. That didn't comment. I mean, it is what it is. I think this is an okay result, considering I start off really weak. Like I said, I probably could have believed in myself a little bit more for Q4, but you can, you know, like everything else in life, this is a marathon, not a sprint. I just need to kind of, I don't know. People got it really fast though. I wonder if there's a, because I think I was just looking for a cuter solution. And I also was trying to not do it tops down because I was just scared it was going to be too slow. Let's kind of see the submission time. And no, that wasn't it. Oh, 2.8 seconds is good enough. But I couldn't. That's the thing with Leetcode, is that I have no confidence about that. And that's why it took so long, because I was trying to do it bottoms up. But I think I was just... I think I was just... I don't know. Just like too PTSD to do well for Q4 for these kind of dynamic programming, because it can usually time out and then I have to do it again. But I guess that would have still been faster, because I end up spending half an hour anyway. Okay, yeah. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.